Hello, I am Mont Enrique Jabordo from Klingkiamba, Sarangani Province, and I am fervently dedicated to advocating for the conservation and responsible stewardship of the diverse marine ecosystem within Sarbay. Through my advocacy, I aim to address pressing issues such as habitat degradation, overfishing, and pollution, while championing sustainable practices that ensure the long-term health and vitality of our marine resources by fostering collaboration among stakeholders, raising awareness, and implementing effective management strategies. And I endeavor to project this invaluable natural heritage for the benefit of both present and future generations, fostering a harmonious balance between human activity and the delicate marine environment. This is Mont Enrique Jabordo, and I am a Sarbay hero.